This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's show you the best settings for recording on your Streamlabs. So let's get started. Of course, first things first, let's head over to our setting right here. And you actually have to navigate through video first. Now, this can depend on your situation. If you want to record in 1080p, then you want to make sure to select the output as 1920 by 1080p. But if you want to record at lower resolutions, of course, you could just do that. Maybe you want to record at 720p, so on and so forth. From there, you then want to make sure that you adjust the FPS value. This is personally your own preference. If you want to record at 30, it's totally fine, but I believe 60 will provide you with a much better and smoother video overall. Now let's head over to output, and then here, navigate through recording. Make sure that the recording quality is set to something like high quality, medium file size. Of course, you could do something like indistinguishable quality right here, but it's going to be a lot bigger for your file size, and something like lossless quality with tremendously large size. Now, this is where it gets really important, because for encoder, it's really necessary to choose your graphics card specific encoder. Since I'm using something like NVIDIA, I have the NVIDIA NVENC right here. For AMD, I don't know what's the encoder that they use, but you just want to make sure that you select the right encoder on your recording. Now for radio encoder, just leave it at default, and simply from there you're good to go. There's not much thing to edit about on Streamlabs right here, but right after, that's going to be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.